In this video, we're going to be looking at the new standard in enterprise test data management. The data landscape has changed. There's lots of new challenges which demand modern solutions to keep up with enterprise complexity and compliance. Curiosity has innovated a new framework for seamless, secure, and smarter test data management. This allows your organization to discover the data you have in your enterprise. You can then act on the discovered data to make sure high quality data is securely delivered to the right teams exactly when they need it. We can then finally also monitor into how the data landscape has evolved and then provide proactive insights to help anticipate issues and optimize your test data processes. We are inside the Curiosity Enterprise Test Data, and we are looking at our data catalog, and we can see this contains all of the applications and databases across our IT landscape. Enterprise test data can connect to lots and lots of different data sources across relational databases, packaged applications, and NoSQL databases. We support over 200 connections. Once you have connected into an instance, the Curiosity platform will discover the data that exists within that application or database. Here we're looking at a Salesforce instance where we have scanned over 1,000 tables and discovered nearly 20,000 columns. You'll see here those data attributes that exist. One of them is the accounts table, which I can open up, and we can see this contains sensitive data, and we can see all of the different columns and tables that exist within this particular system. Data discovery allows you to understand exactly what data exists across your IT landscape in all the different systems within your enterprise. Once you have an understanding of your data landscape, you will want to act on it to make that data available in a compliance format to the right teams. We have lots of data activities which can be utilized for making data available. That could be masking data, doing database compares, doing database subsets, cloning, synthetic data generation across databases and files. Here we are looking at a data pipeline which allows you to orchestrate different data activities together. Here we are validating our data, subsetting it, masking it, and then finally delivering it into the correct database. This is just one example of an ACT process. This is entirely customizable and can be created dependent on your organizational requirements. The final stage is monitor, which allows us to continuously stay up to date with our IT landscape. Firstly, we have a notification system which notifies stakeholders when data changes occur. Here, for instance, we're looking at a connection where we have one new table and 5 sensitive columns have been identified. And we can see the new table that has been added along with the description of what this table contains. And we can also see the sensitive data that exists within that particular change that has occurred. Our data insights dashboard gives real-time updates of data compliance, data activities, and also data validation along with other characteristics. This means you can take a proactive approach to your test data and constantly be up to date with your application landscape. Discover, Act, Monitor is a critical capability for central teams in taking a more smarter approach to test data management. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.